Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by watching videos on YouTube. This is free and available in all countries. This strategy is perfect for students and regular people to help them earn passive income. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So stay tuned! But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. To begin, I'd want to introduce you to the webpage that is currently displaying on our computer screen. It can be found at youtubes.com. They've been operating since 2007, and as you can see here, they have over 857,160 members. This website will pay you to visit numerous websites, participate in surveys, and most importantly, watch movies. There have been over 20,000 payments made to people all across the world. Now, all you have to do to sign up for a free account is click on this Sign Up Now button right here. I'd like you to visit this page and take a look at it. Please enter your email address, password, full name, and preferred username in the fields below. Your gender, birth of date, and country of origin must also be entered. They welcome people from all walks of life and from all corners of the globe, as you can see from the list. So under How did you hear about them, type YouTube, then click I'm not a robot, and read and agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. You'll then be able to establish a free account. After that, all you have to do is watch 30 seconds to a minute of simple YouTube videos like this one, and they will pay you. Here's a tip. While you're not watching the video, simply mute it and leave it playing in the background. This enables you to open multiple tabs at once, allowing you to earn more money in less time. Another option is to watch separate films on your phone and computer at the same time, which can dramatically speed up your earning process. Are you ready for a bonus tip? On YouTube, there is a tool that allows you to watch the video faster. When you select 2x speed, under playback speed when you click the gear button, you'll notice that you can truly speed up the videos. When you click this, the video will speed up to double its normal speed, allowing you to experience a full 30-second film in only 15 seconds of real time. Another feature is the ability to reduce the video quality. That way, you can save data and save time if your internet connection is slow. Now, we'll go to the second website, where we can earn money by watching films. The website's address is bucksinside.com. As you can see above, they pay their subscribers for every 10 seconds of video watched. One of the things I enjoy about this website is that you can earn money simply by watching a brief video. Furthermore, once you reach the website's $2 maximum, you can pay out right away. As soon as you reach $2 on the internet, you may cash out and withdraw your money, which they even show you. They've made 250 payouts to people all over the world in the last year. Take a look at how many places they currently cover and how quickly they're expanding. I enjoy how transparent they are about all of the payments they make to people. All of the usernames as well as the flags of their respective countries are displayed here. As you can see, all of the revenues are in US dollars, and all of the payment methods in addition to the website's recent reimbursements to its user include PayPal, Payoneer, and a range of other possibilities. The entire profit of the top users may be found right here. Look at how much this guy makes just by watching videos on this one website, and then look at how much money this other user makes. It's completely ridiculous. Simply click the register icon at the top of the page to create a free account. It will then direct you to a registration page where you may choose your own username. Because I'm not here to market my own referral link, you can leave your preferred mode of payment, email address, and referral session blank. I'm only sharing this opportunity with you in the hopes of helping you to make money online. You can now use either the US dollars or your local currency as your currency. And you can use any of these payment methods as your preferred payment method. Now, fill in your birthday and you'll see this question at the bottom, which is only to ensure you're not a robot. All you have to do now is read and agree to the terms of service by clicking here, then registering. Your free account is now available to you. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. For the third website, we'll go to fusioncash.net. What's great about this website is that you get a $5 registration bonus when you sign up for a free account. All you have to do now is click on this Get 5 button, and you'll be able to create a free account. Before clicking the register button, simply enter your username, email address, password, confirm your password, and your country's zip code. Remember to double check your email address by checking your inbox for the verification code. After creating a free account, you may start earning money by watching videos. You can also complete other chores, download numerous mobile apps to make money, or simply play games. You can even tell your friends about this website. That's all there is to it. The fourth website on this list is iRazoo.com. This website, like the others, is without a doubt genuine. You can earn free gift cards in the form of cash on this website. They already have a track record of awarding all of their members with significant monetary prizes. They've already been on CNN and the Wall Street Journal, among other news outlets. This is how things work. The website allows you to register for free, then begin watching movies and earn points. You'll be able to convert these points into real money, such as cash rewards or PayPal money, after a period. You can get paid to watch videos online by clicking this Get Started button, which will take you to a page where you can join up with your Facebook account or your email address. Simply input your email address data, such as your first name, last name, and password, to establish a free account right now. This appears to be the case. This is your dashboard, which you may access by logging onto your iRazoo account. Here are some tips on how to earn free points by simply creating a profile. After answering a few questions and authenticating your email address, you can also add a profile photo. You can earn a few more points if you complete all of these tasks. The main disadvantage of this website is that you can only cash out via PayPal. Nonetheless, PayPal money is still money, and you may earn a lot of it simply by watching videos. Now for our final software, AppNana.com, which allows you to earn money simply by watching movies. You may download it on your iOS or Android phone and use it to do a variety of things while inside. You may play games, participate in surveys, and watch videos. Nana points are the scoring system in use here. You can earn nanas, which you can then convert to cash via PayPal Money, Skrill, Pioneer, bank transfer, and a variety of other options as shown below. You can also take part in the referral scheme. Simply clicking on this link will take you to the page where you can fill out your details and join up for extra money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by watching videos on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.